Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you beautiful people doing this morning? As you guys can see, it's raining and these plants love water. So this is excited for the plant. They're loving it. Beautiful, and I'm loving it too, because when my plant is happy, I'm happy as well. So yes, how you all doing? I hope you guys doing that water challenge, because it will benefit you guys, not me. And I will be happy to know you guys doing it and having fun, because it's very beneficial to you. So don't forget, keep on trying. Even you forgot sometimes, go the following day and do it. I understand it might be difficult to do every day, but just try. Just try to maintain it. A lot of benefit from it. I told you about the aloe plant, how important it is. A lot of vitamin C. All these kind of stuff good for your body, and this is natural remedy. This ain't nothing that somebody create. This is natural remedy. You see the herbs, how beautiful they looking, they coming along so marvelous. Thank you all for supporting my channel. Thank you all for watching my videos. I really appreciate you guys for all the comment and all the likes. You know, I really appreciate you guys. On the 16th, the giveaway, the 16th of April, there will be a giveaway of $100 to a lucky winner. I appreciate you guys, so I don't mind giving back. Thank you all. I really appreciate you guys. Yes, guys, so let's talk a little about the health side this morning. Right now, everybody want to be healthy in this time that we're going through right now. Healthy is a must. You want to build your immune system. So you want to drink a lot of ginger, thyme, a lot of different things that you know. Sometimes you could do your own research. You have to keep your immune system right, and you have to wash out your system. You have to clean your system. Just like how you change the oil and all kind of thing for your vehicle, it's the same. Sometimes you got to flush your system. Okay? So aloe is good for do that. Parsley, celery, all them things is good to clean your system. Okay? And then you have the kale and all, kale, cabbage, all them things for help, vitamin C and minerals. And like I said, when it's natural, it's better. When nobody make it up for you, it's better. So I'm showing you guys this little garden I have here. The reason why I'm showing this, I'm just showing you, you could create a little garden with some containers right on your porch. You could do it in your backyard, wherever you can. But if you could get your seasoning, your celery, your parsley, your sage, all them things in a container, you could just go and pick fresh and just clean it, eat it, cook with it, whatever you want. Okay? So guys, it's very important. What I'm telling you guys, all I'm trying to do, give health tips, try to teach how to grow vegetables the most effective way and cost less. I'm not telling you to go out and spend a bunch of money to get anything. The way I'm teaching is you spend less. You set your seed so you could plant as much as you like. If you have a little garden and you just want to go to the store and buy the plant, that's fine. But at least if you take care of them, they will benefit you a lot. So These are some eggplant. Oh, these things bust up so beautiful. Oh, it's amazing. Look how much beautiful they bust up. Oh man, and they're growing real strong. It's like a couple days they bust, and look how big they already get. These are my parsley right here. You see, they're almost time to plant. I'm still giving them a little time. And you know, all these, I'm getting, my plant these stored because it's raining, and I love to plant in the rain. You know, so everything looking beautiful, guys. You see, this is my okra. Them okra getting ready to start planting. By next week, they're ready to plant. And these, the more you pick them, is the more they bear. You see, I pick a few leaves the other day, and they're already pushing up. New ones coming up down there. The more you pick them, the more they bear. So this is just an encouragement, guys. You ain't have to have the biggest yard. You ain't got to have the biggest space to plant your own vegetables, you know. These are some potato I slice and just put here. You see they start pushing out eyes already. Even the eddos. Even the eddos I slice. You see, this was one eddo right here. This was one, and I slice it. Now I have two eddo plant. So that's all I'm doing. I'm trying to multiply so that I can get more. So my harvest could get bigger. So yes, guys. Let's get on the healthy side. Make time for yourself. It's your health, so make time for yourself. Help build your immune system. Drink healthy juice. All these things you can use and make juice. Celery, parsley, thyme. It wouldn't taste as nice as how you're going to want it to taste, but I'm telling you, you will gain a lot of benefit from them. It's everything looking beautiful. The rain is coming. I can imagine the garden, how it's looking with this kind of rain. It's going to look marvelous. With this rain, everything going to just take off. With this kind of rain, everything gonna just fly. And you see how them looking right now, green and fresh? With this rain, I'm telling you, everything gonna be growing. Soon I'll just be harvesting things every day. Alright? So don't forget the water challenge. Don't forget the giveaway. Don't forget you got to be active on the channel. You can't just come one time, comment, and never show back up and expect to win. That's not how it wins. You got to be on the channel, showing you supporting the channel. That's how it works. I have some real loyal supporters. I appreciate all of you. I appreciate each and every one of you. The rain is pouring like crazy. Oh yes. This is nice for the plant. The garden, I know the garden smiling right now. Them planting, and I went yesterday and I softened their root. So you see with this rain, I could imagine after this rain, 3 days after this rain, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna soften the earth again, and that will be, everything will be up in the air, green and fresh. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.